What are key lessons? In Montessori, the 5 great lessons provide the big picture, but the key lessons are what unlock the doors to the details. They spark curiosity, allow for deeper study, and empower children to direct their own learning. Key lessons follow the great lessons, giving elementary children the opportunity to study specific details more closely. They provide just enough information to unlock the child's curiosity without overwhelming them. The goal is not to give every fact, but to spark exploration and allow children to take ownership of their discoveries. Take the first great lesson, the coming of the universe and the earth, for example. From this story, children might be inspired to study volcanoes, rocks, chemistry, or even creation stories. Not all students will be interested in the same thing, and that's okay. That's why the classroom is full of materials that allow each child to follow their own spark of curiosity. We can think of the great lessons as opening hundreds of doors. The key lessons, though, act as the keys that unlock those doors. But it's important to remember we don't take the children on a guided tour once we open. Once the door is unlocked, the exploration belongs to them. In closing, key lessons are the sparks that awaken exploration after the great lessons. They unlock doors, invite independence, and inspire creativity. The great lessons give the framework, and the key lessons provide the details that children long to discover. Together, they empower students to become self-motivated learners. And before we finish, don't forget to like this video and follow us on all of our social media platforms for more Montessori content and inspiration just like this. Until next time, have a great day.